In this video, we're going to be removing the rail, mini can, and barrel from the BM-9, then reinstalling it after. Let's get started. So first, we're going to start by removing the rail. With a 3/16 Allen key, remove the 2 rail screws. Then, with a rubber mallet, you could tap the rail forward just to help you remove the rail, just to get the momentum started. Then you should be able to pull it out by hand. Once the rail is removed, we're going to go ahead and remove the mini can. To remove the mini can, we're going to use this nylon strap wrench and turn the mini can counterclockwise to loosen it up. Once the mini can and the washer are removed, we go ahead and with our 1 1/4 inch wrench, we could remove the barrel nut with the BM-9 complete upper. Once the barrel nut is removed, you go ahead and just pull the barrel out. And there you have it. That's the disassembly process of the BM-9 complete upper. And now, to reassemble, just reassemble in reverse order of the disassembly, like so. So then, you put the barrel back into the upper receiver. If the barrel is pinned, make sure the pin fits right there in that slot of the upper threading. Then, we take our barrel nut. Then, we want to make sure to torque the barrel nut between 32 to 35 foot-pounds of torque. Once you have that tightened, we can put the mini can back on. Get it hand tight. Then we get back with our nylon strap wrench and turn clockwise. We're going to turn it about 1/4 of a turn to get the desired torque you need to keep it nice and snug. Then we slide the rail over everything once it's all assembled and torqued. Line it up with the Picatinny. Once it's lined up, take your screws, and then with your 3/16 Allen key, just reassemble the rail screws here. And once you have the rail screws firmly planted, then you can take an Allen key. Then you could take a torque wrench with an Allen key and torque it down to 115 inch-pounds of torque. And there you have it. That's the process of the disassemble of all the components and reassembly to replace the barrel.